Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Mackerel and today I'm going to show you how I prepared okra soup in another style. Okay, I used the frying method this time, so please make sure you watch from the start till the end. So this is my Scotch bonnet pepper and my red bell pepper. I'm going to blend it with my tomatoes. This is my okra. I'm going to parboil it a little so that it will have that sliminess. So in another pot I added my palm oil. I'm going to add onions and then fry a little, then add my crayfish. I'm not going to pour all the crayfish in. I'm going to leave some for later. So I'm going to also let it fry for a little while, and then I'm going to add my pepper mix, the tomatoes, red bell pepper and Scotch bonnet pepper as well. So I'm going to stir and then add my seasoning. After adding the seasoning, I'm going to stir again and then cover to cook for 10 minutes on a low heat. And I'm also going to be checking it, like I don't want it to burn. So in here I'm going to add my already cooked meat. That is my goat meat, beef, and stockfish with dried fish as well. So I'm going to stir carefully and then cover to cook for another 5 minutes. Yes, remember my okra is almost ready, or it is already cooked. So I'm going to add the okra now. Look at how beautiful it looks like and how slimy it is. So I'm going to stir carefully, and then I'm going to also add my crayfish. So after adding my crayfish, I'm going to add seasoning and then stir together, stir carefully. Remember also that okra is also very healthy. It is good for the body. It has lots of healthy benefits. So here is my fish, my mackerel fish, which I grilled in the air fryer. I added it to it. So now I'm going to taste for salt, and as you can see guys, my soup is ready. So that's how I prepare this delicious okra soup. Please don't forget to follow me on all my social media platforms with the name Mackerel, and I am on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Alright, thank you so much and see you in my next video. This is the oatmeal fufu that I'm using to eat the okra. Alright, bye. See you in the next one.